In a shocking revelation, Angela White, formerly known as Blac Chyna, has exposed disturbing details about her ex, Tyga, and his alleged involvement with an underage Kylie Jenner. Angela implicates Kris Jenner, asserting that not only was Kris aware of the situation, but allegedly encouraged the relationship for publicity. The saga began in 2012, when Tyga, 23 at the time, reportedly initiated contact with the 15-year-old Kylie. Despite denials from the Kardashians and Tyga, their relationship became evident, sparking outrage. Kris, seemingly indifferent, allowed Tyga to join a family trip and even endorsed him during a public denial. Angela, who gave birth to Tyga's son, faced a smear campaign orchestrated by Kris after Kylie's departure. Kris allegedly used racist language and connections to cancel Angela's reality show. Angela's recent revelations on a podcast have ignited discussions about Kris's role in facilitating Tyga's influence over Kylie, with fans questioning Kris's motives and parenting. The public awaits further details to unravel this troubling Kardashian saga. Subscribe for more.